I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and today we're going to use this oval vase to create a simply elegant design. Very easily, we're going to come in first and use this stem grid pattern to create a structure to insert our stems into. So you can see how that piece is coming across there, and then my other piece is going to come across here, and then we can use some of these middle pieces just to come in and create a base structure. Some of these side shoots I'm going to save for my body flowers in different pieces. So we're pulling them off, but we're going to throw them in a baggie to be able to save them, so that we make sure that we get all our money out of our Italian ruscus. So you can see that base structure. Then I'm going to come in and do some basing very simply here, adding some textural elements. So I've got a couple of the green trick dianthus. That's something that always draws people into your designs. And in contrast, I'm also going to add some of the green hypericum. So this is our base. We've just got that simply in, and you're gonna be able to see, I'm gonna come in and add my orchids. We're gonna come from the outside in. So we're coming in that side, then we're gonna come in over here and go across into the vase. And your next one, because I've got a great stem grid structure there, as I put these materials in, you can see that they do stay where I put them. We're gonna go here like so. That kind of is a zigzag line where you can see that a little bit, but I'm gonna come and add some depth and dimension, getting some going a little bit more to the back, and then on the other side as well there. And then lastly, come in with my longest stem is going to come right up through the middle here. And so you can see how easily that went together and how impactful it is. I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and I hope I inspired you to create some fabulous florals.